I'm getting down to the end of Lenny's truck service. I didn't do very many videos or take some photos while I was doing this kit. So we're going to be taking some photos now. I got a few from the beginning and a few things that I found. So take a look at this right here. Here's Lenny's truck service. So far, I got this up here. Just have to add a few more details. I weathered it a little bit. I got to do a little bit back here too. I didn't weather that too good. But I got the chimney, the Coke machine, and the gas tank. These right here, these are the hardest part of any kit for me to do. The detail parts. And luckily, when I was at a train show last weekend, I picked up these. He didn't have a lot that suited some of the kits that I did, but these right here, the wooden barrels and the pallets, will work out pretty nice. I'm going to finish off these right here, but I got these from a gentleman. He has a shop in Southwest Alabama, Coda's Model Train World. I've seen him a couple of times at the Tallahassee train show and bought some stuff from him both times. So here's his information right here with the QR code. Okay, and this is what I got this time. Some pellets and some barrels. He does 3D printing. These are resin, and he paints them for you. So, and I think these are $5 a piece. So that's not too bad for all those pallets and all those barrels. But that'll save me some time. I got a bunch of them painted or half painted up in these deals right here, and some unpainted. So you can see how I try to avoid it at all costs. I got this fence right here that I'm going to put on, and I think I'm going to put it on the layout. Let me show you where. I set it up here. That looks like a good place for it. And this is in an area where I have a lot of bar mills buildings, except for this one DPM building, and this is a laser art building right here, and this is another I think that one's a laser art, and that one's a Campbell's, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that one there. But you get the idea. I'm starting to fill this place in over here. But this is what we're going to be giving away. This right here to a lucky winner on Wednesday. I built this probably about 9 or 10 years ago, and Art had one sitting on the shelf. It's not on his catalog anymore, and he says, here, give it away. So let me show you some of the things that I noticed on here. Now, this is board and batten, so this is the only manufactured, plastic window, like these pallets right here. And in order to get them in, you have to trim down the battens on the top and the bottom on this one and the one side here. Now they did make a couple of plates to go behind this light here and this light here, but the hole in it was way too large, so I didn't use them. Okay, what was the other thing? I had to trim the tops of the doors on, on the angle to match this right here, so it would fit up in there, because this right here is layered. So this is resting, the garage doors is resting behind this trim right here. The wall is a lot thicker than that, so I had to shave the sides and trim each corner on it. And the usual stuff, Yeah, this is a 3-piece peel and stick doors and windows, so I had to trim the sides. So basically, you know, there's the roof, weathered a little bit. The sign was a nice touch, or a 1/16 of an inch square stock all around the door. That's all the doors and windows except for this one right here are peel and stick 3-piece or 2-piece. So it turned out pretty nice. I'll show you a few more of the things that I found at the very beginning of opening this kit. In the directions it says 3/8 inch clearance, but I think they misspoke, because I first marked this as 3/8 inch clearance right over here, and that just leaves too big of a gap on this, especially on the side. So I cut everything a little bit longer to give a 5/32 clearance, and then these go all the way up to a 1/16 of an inch. And these right here go all the way up to a 1/16 of an inch clearance, where it will clear this right here. And I'm getting ready to glue it, and we'll see what that looks like right there. And while I was reviewing some of these clips, I noticed that I had June still up there, but I just flipped it over to July and noticed this lighthouse right here is the one that we visited in Maine when we went to see Art Fahey. So from sea to shining sea. And there's a closer look at the picture on the calendar. Wednesday, we're going to be giving away this kit right here to a lucky winner, Hank's Fuel Company. You'll have a couple of more days to, well, actually up until about Wednesday, a couple of hours before, to get your name into workbenchwednesday@gmail.com to enter to win. The next kit is Oak Leaf Shipping and Storage. I got the box out already. I picked this up at a train show, I think. And we're getting down. I got 2 more over there. This is Lenny's box, and I got a few more down here. Plus, up on that shelf up there, I got Cigar Corner. It's the bottom box. So that's 5 buildings right there. I got 1 there that's HO, 1's N scale, so that's 6, 7, 8. A couple of the Majestic hardware I already have on the layout. I got the Shack Pack, and I also got this, the twin utility sheds. I got a couple of those sheds up there already. This is in the original plastic container. It says $95, but I picked it up for $50. I think at D-Land trade show. And so these over here, one of these is one of his first billboards, and we have Jack's Backyard and Papa Louie's Cigar Shop. Like Debbie said at the train show in Tallahassee, I can't get any more kits until I build these right here. So I'm going to be busy trying to get these things done. Workbench Wednesday live stream where we will be giving away Hank's Fuel and starting on the new kit. So until the next time, we'll see ya and have fun with those structure kits.